is your Abhilash back. As I told you, I get a lot of stuff from my friends for unboxing purpose. Like almost everyone know in my office that I do YouTube unboxing video. So I've got multiple stuffs. Like I've got back cover. I got a new hand riding gloves, and this is a travel. Okay, U-shaped memory foam blue travel neck pillow. So you can see this. This is bought from Amazon. This is been sent from Rahul, my friend. So he wanted me to make an unboxing. He has sent me this. So it's time for an unboxing, guys. So this costed. Don't see the price over here. It says 784. I have to check the bill for the actual price. So it's a prepaid order, I think. So that is the reason the price is not mentioned. Let me just open this and make an unboxing. Before that, guys, I really thank you everyone, because of you guys I've reached 37,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. And to help me in uploading more videos, to support my new channel, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. And if you're watching for the first time, do not forget to click on subscribe button and click on bell icon so you can get my all latest notifications. So here comes the pillow, travel pillow. Okay, invoice is over here, which costed him 698 rupees. The bill is not clear. It says 698. I think he bought it in an offer or discount. So this is how it looks. It has a carry case also, which actual MRP is 1698. So I think he has made a right choice, and he has got good discount also on this. It feels a little heavy, like maybe 300-400 grams. You just open. This is not an air one, this is a memory foam one. Okay. It has the button or lock kind of thing where you can pull it tight. Okay. It's really nice. Yes, it's a memory foam. So when you press a memory foam, you don't get released immediately. It will take time to come to normal position. So you can see it has a zip over here. Yes. Yeah, it's a memory foam. I think you can see here. It can be removed and washed, I think. And I'm gonna just give a demo. So you can see it will take some time. So when it's a mattress, when you put the pressure on it, it leaves the impression for like few seconds. That is how you can identify the memory foam. And this is really nice. It has a velvet finish. So I think this is how they're gonna use it. What do you say, Akash? He's my friend Akash. I think you have seen him in most of my videos. He's the person who helps me making videos. Thank you, Akash. And I think this is how they're gonna put, so you not slip to the right or left when you're traveling. You can sleep aramse. So that is why this is meant for. So this is fine. Yeah, as I told, it's a memory foam. It's quite comfortable. I can sleep. I don't have to fall on anyone while traveling in train or bus. So really nice. I think he has made a good choice. Yes. Yeah. The cushion feels very cool. It has some pocket kind of thing over here. Maybe to keep a. I don't know why. Okay. It's really nice. Remember, this actual memory foam. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you the unboxing, and you got the review also. It's really good, nice. It gives good cushioning. Yeah, paying the $699 for this, it's really worth if you're getting the discount. Because the A1 you will be end up paying say 300 or 400, but it's not that comfort, which give you some irritation. But this is really nice. It's a velvet finish. You can use this. It's really comfortable. I can feel it. So that's all guys, it was a just quick unboxing and a review video. Hope this was useful to you, and please let me know in the comment section about the review and like what you felt, what I have to use, and what's the better way or best way I can record. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe if you're watching for the first time.